Welcome to Platinum Tranquility, Natural Health Channel. Here are 10 vitamins that instantly makes your skin look younger, with bonus recipes included. Disclaimer: this video is for information or educational purposes only. This is not a substitute for medical advice or care. Please contact a health professional before using any supplements. Thank you. Number 1. Vitamin C, the brightening powerhouse. First up, we have vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, which is often referred to as the brightening powerhouse. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, meaning it helps protect your skin from free radicals, those nasty little molecules that can cause premature aging and dullness. When applied topically, vitamin C works wonders by inhibiting melanin production, which helps reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It also stimulates collagen synthesis, which is essential for keeping your skin firm and youthful looking. The result? A brighter, more even complexion that practically glows. Now, for our DIY vitamin C face mask, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. DIY vitamin C face mask recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Instructions: mix all the ingredients together until well combined. Apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Enjoy your brightened, refreshed skin. This mask is fantastic for brightening and hydrating the skin, thanks to the natural vitamin C in the lemon juice combined with the soothing properties of yogurt and honey. Number 2. Vitamin E, the skin protector. Next on our list is vitamin E, a true skin protector. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant, which means it's great at defending your skin against environmental damage, like pollution and UV rays. One of the most well-known benefits of vitamin E is its ability to moisturize the skin. It works by strengthening the skin's barrier function, which helps retain moisture and keeps your skin hydrated. But that's not all. Vitamin E also promotes healing and can reduce the appearance of scars, making it a go-to for anyone dealing with skin damage. Let's create a simple DIY vitamin E body oil that will leave your skin feeling soft and nourished. DIY vitamin E body oil recipe. Ingredients: a 1/4 cup of almond oil, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and 2 vitamin E capsules. Instructions: combine the almond oil and coconut oil in a small bottle. Puncture the vitamin E capsules and squeeze the liquid into the oil mixture. Shake well to combine. Apply this oil to your body after a shower for soft, hydrated skin. This body oil is perfect for locking in moisture, and the added vitamin E ensures your skin is protected and nourished. Number 3. Vitamin A, the anti-aging agent. Moving on, we have vitamin A, widely recognized in the skincare world as retinol. This vitamin is a powerhouse when it comes to anti-aging. Retinol works by promoting cell turnover, which helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Retinol stimulates collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. It also helps unclog pores, making it an excellent choice for those with acne-prone skin. Here's a natural DIY alternative to retinol using carrot seed oil. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of carrot seed oil, 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil, and 2 drops of lavender essential oil. Instructions: mix all the oils together in a small glass bottle. Shake well before each use. Apply a few drops to your face in the evening, focusing on areas with fine lines and wrinkles. Carrot seed oil is rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, making it a natural alternative to retinol. This serum will help rejuvenate your skin and reduce signs of aging. Number 4. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Let's talk about vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is essential for many bodily functions, including skin health. It plays a key role in skin cell growth, repair, and metabolism, which means it helps your skin stay healthy and resilient. Vitamin D is produced when your skin is exposed to sunlight, but you can also get it from certain foods like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified products. Here's a simple DIY vitamin D-rich body scrub that will leave your skin feeling soft and glowing. DIY vitamin D body scrub recipe. Ingredients: half a cup of sea salt, a quarter cup of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of cod liver oil, rich in vitamin D. Instructions: mix the sea salt and coconut oil in a bowl. Add the cod liver oil and stir until well combined. Use this scrub in the shower to exfoliate and nourish your skin. This scrub not only exfoliates but also infuses your skin with vitamin D, helping to improve its overall health and appearance. Number 5. Vitamin B7, the hair and nail strengthener. Next up is vitamin B7, more commonly known as biotin. If you're dreaming of stronger, healthier hair and nails, biotin is your best bet. Biotin supports the production of keratin, a protein that forms the basic structure of your hair, skin, and nails. Biotin is often included in hair and nail supplements because it's believed to help prevent hair thinning and brittle nails. Here's a nourishing DIY biotin hair mask you can make at home. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: mash the avocado in a bowl until smooth. Add the egg yolk and honey, and mix until well combined. Apply the mask to your hair, focusing on the roots and ends. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse with warm water and shampoo as usual. This hair mask is packed with biotin-rich ingredients that will leave your hair feeling stronger, shinier, and healthier. Number 6. Vitamin B3, the skin smoother. Now, let's talk about vitamin B3, also known as niacinamide. This vitamin is incredibly versatile and offers a wide range of skin benefits. Niacinamide helps to strengthen the skin's barrier, improve elasticity, and enhance the skin's overall texture. One of the standout features of niacinamide is its ability to reduce the appearance of enlarged pores and even out skin tone. It's also great for calming redness and inflammation, making it a must-have for anyone with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Here's a DIY niacinamide face mist that's refreshing and soothing for your skin. DIY niacinamide face mist recipe. Ingredients: half a cup of green tea, cooled, a quarter cup of cucumber juice, and 2 drops of niacinamide serum. Instructions: brew green tea and let it cool completely. Blend a cucumber and strain to get the juice. Mix the green tea and cucumber juice in a spray bottle. Add a few drops of niacinamide and shake well. Spritz this mist on your face whenever your skin needs a refreshing boost. This face mist is perfect for hydrating and soothing your skin throughout the day, with the added benefits of niacinamide to keep your complexion smooth and clear. Number 7. Vitamin K, the dark circle eraser. Vitamin K might not be as well known as some of the other vitamins we've discussed, but it's a powerful ally when it comes to reducing dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. Vitamin K helps with blood clotting, which can reduce the appearance of dark circles caused by poor circulation. This vitamin is often found in eye creams because it helps to minimize the appearance of dark circles and under-eye bags. It's particularly effective for those with thin or delicate skin around the eyes, as it can help improve circulation and reduce discoloration. Here's a DIY under-eye treatment using vitamin K-rich ingredients to brighten your eyes. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of parsley, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and a few drops of vitamin K oil, optional. Instructions: mix the chopped parsley and yogurt in a small bowl. If you have vitamin K oil, add a few drops to the mixture. Apply this mixture under your eyes and leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse off gently with cool water. This under-eye treatment helps to reduce puffiness and brighten dark circles, thanks to the vitamin K in parsley. Use it regularly for a more refreshed appearance. Number 8. Vitamin B5, the hydration booster. Next on our list is vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid. This vitamin is essential for maintaining your skin's moisture levels. It acts as a humect, meaning it helps to attract and retain moisture in the skin. Vitamin B5 is especially beneficial for those with dry or sensitive skin. It helps to soothe irritation, reduce redness, and promote healing, making it a great choice for anyone looking to improve their skin's hydration and overall health. Here's a hydrating DIY vitamin B5 face mask that's perfect for giving your skin a moisture boost. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Instructions: mix the aloe vera gel, honey, and avocado oil in a bowl until smooth. Apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. This mask is deeply hydrating and soothing, thanks to the vitamin B5 in the aloe vera. It's a fantastic way to rejuvenate your skin and keep it looking dewy and fresh. Number 9. Vitamin B6, the balancer. Next, let's talk about vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. This vitamin is crucial for balancing the hormones in your body, which can have a direct impact on your skin. Hormonal imbalances can lead to acne, dryness, and other skin issues, so maintaining healthy levels of vitamin B6 is key. Vitamin B6 helps regulate sebum production, making it especially beneficial for those with oily or acne-prone skin. It can also aid in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which helps reduce stress, a common trigger for skin problems. Here's a simple DIY vitamin B6 face toner that helps to balance your skin. Ingredients: half a cup of witch hazel, a quarter cup of rose water, and 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Instructions: combine the witch hazel, rose water, and apple cider vinegar in a spray bottle. Shake well to mix. Use this toner after cleansing your face to help balance oil production and soothe your skin. This toner is perfect for balancing your skin's pH and regulating oil production, making it an excellent addition to your skincare routine, especially if you struggle with acne. Number 10. Vitamin B12, the energy booster. Last but not least, we have vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. This vitamin is essential for overall health, including skin health. Vitamin B12 supports energy production and helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to dull, tired-looking skin, so it's important to ensure you're getting enough. This vitamin also plays a role in cell reproduction, which is crucial for keeping your skin looking fresh and vibrant. Here's a brightening DIY vitamin B12 face cream that will help revitalize your complexion. Ingredients: a quarter cup of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 vitamin B12 tablet, crushed into a fine powder. Instructions: melt the shea butter and coconut oil together over low heat. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Stir in the crushed vitamin B12 tablet until fully dissolved. Transfer the mixture to a jar and let it solidify. Use this cream as a nightly moisturizer to brighten and nourish your skin. This vitamin B12 face cream is rich, nourishing, and helps to even out your skin tone. Use it regularly to maintain a glowing, youthful complexion. And there you have it, 10 vitamins that can help you look good instantly, along with DIY recipes you can try at home. Whether you're looking to brighten your skin, strengthen your hair, or simply boost your overall radiance, these vitamins are your go-to solutions. Remember, beauty starts from within, so nourishing your body with the right vitamins is just as important as your skincare routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Platinum Tranquility for more tips on how to enhance your body, mind, and spirit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.